My name is Doug Williams. I'm Project Superintendent for Duffy Southeast. So the project here that we're building is a 323,000 square foot tilt wall spec building. A tilt wall is basically a flat concrete wall formed and placed, and then we'll have a crane come in, attach to the lifting points on the panels, and take the wall and stand it vertically. So far, we are at about half, a little over half of the total square footage of the building. We can go take a look at what we have so far and what we started at 2 this morning and where we are now. The reason we do start at 2 in the morning is the fact that the traffic is lighter, the concrete stays cooler while it's being delivered. It gives us a little more workability when it's placed, so it gives us more time to get the concrete right. When we're tailgating, it's directly pouring the concrete from the back of the truck. They do it in strips across the slab, and they use a laser screed to pull the concrete back to the set elevation with the laser. So now we're to a point at what they call a cleanup stage. So we're down to the last couple of trucks, finishing up the last few yards of concrete to be placed. So as we're finishing, we have a power trowel here to my left. That's what they call breaking the top open with the concrete. They're letting the bleed water come up, basically break the top open of the cement and the concrete. They're pushing down the sand and bringing up the cream of the cement. So we can go over and take a look at some of the wall panels that have started forming. What they've done is they've framed the openings in the panel, and now they'll start laying out where the different weld-in beds go on the panel and start placing the rebar in them. When they form these panels, the tilt wall panel, they actually form the bottom of the panel to the inside of the building. The top of the panel is on the outside of the building, so the outside face of the panel is laying flat on the ground. And they'll pick the top of it up first and swing the panel vertically and then set it into place. So right now we're at slab placement, and we're about halfway through slab placement. We've started forming wall panels. We're starting to get steel and rebar into those panels. Next phase will be panel erection and steel erection after that.